Hi guys, welcome to the Gokarna 3-day trip vlog series where we started off our trip at the Yashwantpur railway station, Bangalore, and it was raining so heavily. We all were completely drenched in the rain, but we somehow caught the train and caught these beautiful views just before reaching the Gokarna railway station. When we finally reached the station, the next thing we had to do was take a cab for 8 people, and it costed us around 90 rupees per person from the railway station to our cottage at the Kudle beach. When we reached the Kudle beach, we had to trek all the way down through the stairs at the Kudle beach because there is no road as such to go to the beach. We all had to trek all the way down to the cottage. The beach was finally in sight and our happiness could not be contained. It was so beautiful, all of our friends going on our first beach trip together. Guys, hi! So we have reached Gokarna finally and look at the view. OMG. So we had no option other than to drag our luggage all the way to the cottage cum hostel, but it was so beautiful as this beach was so serene and we enjoyed every part of the tedious task of taking our luggage and going to the cottage, which was nothing but Sri Uma Maheshwar cottages where both AC and non-AC rooms were available, and the excitement of my friends couldn't be controlled at all. We were anxiously waiting at the reception to check in our luggage, and finally we got into the standard non-AC room, which was $8.99 per night and the AC was 1K per night. Guys, so we just went swimming and the girls are ready. Will you say hi to Megha?
Hello.
Megha, hi. Yes, this is a
Tan
full
faces.
sips.
These are our tan faces.
Tan faces after swimming. So guys, we went swimming. Now we are gonna go have lunch. We don't have breakfast. We are gonna have lunch directly. Then we are gonna go trek on the Om beach and then go to the sunset top at Kudle. So everyone put on their beach outfits and we were searching for a place to have lunch. We are going to eat. What will we eat? See? There are restaurants beside the Kudle. So we'll go eat something from that. Megha, what do you want to have for lunch?
For lunch?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Have you decided anything?
I want cheese fries.
Cheese fries?
Yeah.
That's so cute, right? What he's selling. इस बहुत धूप है फिर भी हम चल रहे हैं. It's Nipun. It's very sunny. We're still walking.
Too hot to handle.
Okay, so they've chosen a restaurant. This was the Gautam Prasad restaurant. There were many other options available, but this was the cheapest among them, and it was right in front of the beach, which was so beautiful, and it just costed us around 200 for the vegetarians and 500 for the non-vegetarians. Hi guys. See some.
वहाँ उस बोट में गए थे क्या?
हाँ हाँ.
कितना देर के बैठे हैं?
Vignesh.
वो वाली बोट.
वो वाली.
ना वहाँ तक नहीं गए. वहाँ तक नहीं गए. साले उतनी बोट तक नहीं गए. नहीं ये वाली.
Lunch has come. Chicken biryani. Megha, what are you saying? You're looking so aesthetic.
वो क्या खा रहा है? कीटो खा रहा है. क्या खा रहा है?
That island? It's so pretty, right? Look at this beach. It is just like in between two hills.
2 or 3.
3 hills. There's Om Beach that side. This is Kudle Beach. The most serene beach of Gokarna. And that's my bestie. So we all finished our lunch and had lots of fun talking and eating. We had bracelets. Necklace. We had our lunch. We're going back to our room. Nice, Megha. We were just heading back to our room when something beautiful started to happen, and I think so you guys guessed it by now. It's raining on the beach and it's so beautiful here. It's like the sun and the rain at the same time. Could this be any more? It's raining on the beach. Abhinav. It's raining, it's raining, it's raining. Mega! See, getting drenched in the rain and sun-kissed at the same time. This is the just. And at dancing on the beach in the rain was one of the most important things in my bucket list since childhood, and I was so happy I could complete it on this trip. I'm completely drenched in the rain and it's just so amazing walking here. I'm telling you, it's like so serene and so nice, and it gives such a peaceful feeling just like being here. You go on those rocks and sit in the rain. It's so nice. So yeah, I'm walking by myself in the rain and it's so nice. Wanna see the beach? It's just here. Into the rocks. You can just sit here and have some fun. Nature. Guys, we had so much fun getting wet and dancing in the rain that all our clothes got drenched, and we went to the room, got them changed and came back to the beach where I got this beautiful beach YB braids done on my hair, and they looked so colorful and beautiful. Hey guys, so we are gonna trek to the top to go for sunset. Just got this braid done. It's nice, right? It's the main Gokarna vibes. So yeah, I'll show you the hill where we're gonna trek. We're gonna trek to the top of that hill. That's Vignesh and Megha. Megha, hi! The girls are ahead in the trek and the boys are in the back. See, that's called girl power. We will do water sports tomorrow. People are playing volleyball over there and we are enjoying a beautiful sunset. Abhinav is having kulfi. What are you guys talking?
मतलब देखा है मैंने
कोई इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है ब्लॉग में आने का. ऐसे लोगों को ब्लॉग में देना ही नहीं चाहिए जिन्हें कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं आ रही.
देखो तो
Small rivers we are crossing to go to our destination. Shit, yaar, I have to cross this river. Jump here. I'm going to Kashmir. Kulfi. Matching my dress. This is the trekking road to the sunset point. See, what did we find, guys? A beautiful rainbow. Just look behind me. Can you see the rainbow? So we trekked all the way to the hilltop to finally see the sunset, and it was so beautiful, like rainbow on one side and sunset on the other side. See guys, to reach the sunset viewpoint. See, the Om beach is over there, and look at this rainbow. Wow! I see we finally made it to the hilltop, and the sunset's right over there. You can see it. I'm sure you can see. Just taking a camera. Look at the sunset. The sun has set and it's red almost. My friends over there. Even I trekked down and reached the same point where they were, and the view from there was just so beautiful and serene. Going back. Kachasi. Guys, after a long trek of 2 kilometers, we're finally here at Mantra Cafe, which is one of the most popular cafes in Gokarna. My friends have done a lot of hard work to reach here. First we trekked from Kudle to the hilltop, And then from the hilltop, we trekked to Om Beach, which is here. So pretty. Guys, so we are gonna enter Mantra Cafe. I'll show you the ambience is really good. Pretty. We're at Mantra Cafe and I'm going to ask my friends how they're feeling for the end of day 1. Let's go. How was your day?
Tired and very adventurous.
Vignesh, how was your day?
I tried. I'm feeling very tired and exhausted and happy.
Okay. How was your day?
How was my day? Good.
Megha, how was your day? How was your day?
Not yet over.
Oh, how was your day,
Ready
Sunil?
for next trek tomorrow.
And bye, guys. Food has come. Done with dinner. But how much did you spend?
I think 1,800 per person. And I spent 2,100.
Yes, you can see double sides of people here. Amir Baap ki video aulad. Okay guys, say bye to Mantra Cafes. Let's have a bye. Good night. So we finally came back to Arkudle Beach. So we trekked through the night and through the dense forest. It was really scary, I'm telling you. There was no street light at all and we were just trekking through the forest at night and we finally reached Arkudle Beach again. So we're planning for a bonfire on the beach. Let's see if it happens or not. These people are picking up sticks for the bonfire.
रुक जा फिर और एक उठा लो.
Searching firewood from dumpsters. What are you holding?
Wooden stick.
You'll burn this. See, someone came. Do you want biscuit? We just gave you some.
Come back to most good guy.
So guys, even though we carried the sticks all the way to our hotel, we couldn't do the bonfire as there was
So
no
much hard
kerosene.
work.
Sad life. So guys, we were really scared by this long pipe which actually looked like an anaconda, but we made really amazing memories during the whole day. And I'm gonna post 2 more vlogs providing you with the complete itineraries of the things you can do at Gokarna at the cheapest prices. So stay tuned for my channel for more updates on Gokarna trip, and also subscribe, like and share my content. So thanks for watching you all. Till we meet the next time with another amazing vlog of the things to do in Gokarna. Hope you all liked it.